Gosh, it smells so good, guys. Let's go wash it. In this video, I wanted to show you how I take a lot of my herbs from start to end. Right here, I've got echinacea that I had pulled, and I'm going to save some of this back because I can still use it for tinctures. So I'm cutting it up and I'm going to save about a jar. I've got so much of it. It'll definitely save back. So I've got a bunch of oregano in here that I could cut, but guys, this needs to be cut back, and this needs to be cut back. There is peppermint in there somewhere, so I'll have to separate it when I get to it. And I got some good thyme. Look, it's in there. Oh look, I have a frog. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, he's jumping around. But he went down the ground. See him? Frog. Alright, let's wash this. Gosh, it smells so good, guys. Let's go wash it. I got more from over there. Forgot. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Oh, I'm losing herbs on the ground. I should have done better with my thyme. That's all I got this year. Let's go wash it up. Looks good. These ones like this, I've been trying to stick in the ground and let them root up a little bit. That one, I'm gonna stick some of them in the water and see if they'll sprout. I think they will. Pretty sure they will. I don't have as much peppermint. I need to do better with peppermint next year. And peppermint comes back every year. I don't have to replant it. I think the thyme came back this year. Maybe I might have planted thyme. My lemon basil didn't do as well as it has in the past. Well, it actually didn't come back. Remember, it was great big, crazy. So I had to buy some. And I've just been letting it grow. Maybe this will come back next year. Maybe. Well, this is the first time I've cut this one back. It's really good down in here. It's right next to the oregano that I did. Weed. Actual weed. We'll cut it back and see what it does. See how it looks before. Actually, it's more than what I thought. Guys, this plant came up on its own this year. He's not looking too good, so I'm gonna trim him back. We'll go ahead and get some basil out of him. And he just don't look good. I'm not so sure that there ain't something on him. I don't see anything, but let's go get some basil. Got more down here. OMG. Love it. Okay, we're going to cut him back hard. It won't be long. They'll be going away anyway. I might as well save it back, right? Ooh, look at him. He leaned down, he got so heavy. Oh, man. Oh, he was a big one. Alrighty. Basil. I have a bucket down here that I like to put all my stuff in. This is lemon balm. Crash. Great stuff. Well, right, I didn't break that. Really what?
You have a cycle right here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he was building it this morning.
Really?
Billy. Oh. Blew away, Pepper Ball. Guess it blew away and I didn't see it. Basil paste. And they put that in the grinder and grind it up. It's fluffy. Okay. Yep, I need to grind it up a little bit. Okay. I'll move that for the next one. One more. Oregano. Got a bunch of oregano.